Tight end? No, he was defensive end. That's what he was. Defensive end, right? I knew it. Destruction. Destruction coming this way. Hey, you come around this way, man, you better get away from him. No line, no halfback. Who all need pads? All right. I'm throwing him in there, you gotta catch him.
Right here.
Hey, how you doing? What's up, man? Come on, man. Everybody got fans?
What do you got?
Everybody got fans? I got 2. Yeah, let me put these down. Put them over here. That bucket there empty. We're gonna use this for our empties later. I'm gonna take these over here. Who's paying to do this?
Mine.
All right. All my good people that came with me, we're gonna gather around this car. All the little people, y'all hang right there. I'm coming to see you. I'm gonna make sure you don't lose your goal. Man, right there, all right?
Everybody goes to that one. You guys, I guess you guys all come up to the front up here.
Many of you are not going to trust it. And you're going to be here for 30 minutes from now. Shake it, doing this right here. Shake it and saying, how do I get the dirt out? You'll pick a rock or 2 out, throw it away, make sure it ain't gold rocks. You're going to pick a rock or 2 out, you're going to do his. You're going to be here, okay. But how do I get the sand out? Even after I show you about 4 times, you're still going to be saying, how do I get the sand out? You know why? Because you don't want to trust the process. The process is really tricky and a little scary. But if you do it right, it'll be all right. I'm here to help you. Make sure you don't lose your gold. That's why I work with the little people to make sure they take their gold back and show it to their friend. Hey, this is what I found in Gold Creek, the same place Mr. Juneau found here. Now, you see what I'm doing? I'm shaking this up real good. I want to turn this dirt and water into a mixture that will come out with the water. I want the sand and the dirt to come so close together that they almost become one. And also, I'm shaking it up real good so I can make what's good go down to the bottom. Gold is 19 times heavier than all the other substances in this pan. So I want to make sure it goes strictly to the bottom. I'm going to show you how to get it out of there. Now I'm pouring it out. Now when that sand starts moving like that, you're ready for the next phase. Shake it up until it gets to that point. If it ain't that point, if it's still packed, go back and shaking it. Because if it's packed, you're going to lose your gold. Now, another reason why I'm shaking it up, because look at that rim under there. See that round rim?
Yeah.
That round rim is your friend. That's your buddy. That's your gold saver. That's your gold protector. That's your gold hider. It would hide in that gold right there in that crevice right there under the mud. Let me show you. Now, I'm at a point now where I can get down to business, take the rocks out, see big rocks, get them out the way. Get them out the way. Now, here's the process you're going to be afraid to do. But you won't get the sand out if you don't try it. That's the process right there. You can say, oh, man, my gold going? No. I get it to that point again. I'm going to shake it. I want this whole side clean now. I don't want to put no more mud up here. I want everything to stay right there as I work this out. Little bit by little bit. Little bit by little bit. Work it out. There she goes. Shake it up some more. Ah, yeah. See a couple of rocks in there? Oh, is it gone? Oh, it's almost gone. Watch this. Get that point. Now, here's the catch. Well, you're probably going to need my assistance because you don't know how to do it yet. I got a little dirt left. What's there and under there is very secretive and won't come out till I make it. And here's how I make it. Flip this over. Let my water hang down here. I want to take this dirt and I want to bring this dirt over here where the water is. The way I do that, little dance. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Take the dirt, bring it here. Let me see what's under it. See that? Now, I reveal my gold right there. Those little pieces right there is pure 18 karat gold. Pure 18 karat gold. Many of you will have way more than that. 10, 12, 14 pieces. Now, this is what the painters would find when they would go out in the creek and do what they did. Now, that don't seem like much. But the point is, this came off of something else. The big nuggets out there. Now you go to up inside this creek, you go up and down the creek like that lady did, I told you. Came over here about 3 weeks ago. She went down the time we was over here doing this. Didn't come back. Well, wouldn't come back till I went and got her. She came back. That's where the nuggets are. They out there. They're out there hiding up under the rocks, in the crevices, all under the dirt. They're hiding there. These little pieces here come off those nuggets. Wash in the water, wash it right off the top of them. Pieces like this break up. And they come here in this little dirt right out here. Now that's how you get it out of here. Now, how you get it out of this deal, you dip it in the water. Here's the extraction part. You get your valve, you get your little tubette. The pressure is here. You press, already got one going. If I lost it or not. No, I ain't lost it. Open it up, press, release, suck it up in there, and push it in there. Hold your valve over top of your pan just in case it overflows and pop out. At least it'll pop back in the water. Get it? Same thing. There we go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's what the process. Now you got an opportunity to go over there. You got a trough there. You got another trough there. And we got a couple of barrels right here that you can work out of too. I'm going over here and work with the little people out of these barrels and get them so they can find their gold. Now make sure you shake it up real good. That's the process.
You guys see all those different rocks that are in there? They look like ordinary average rocks, but they're not.
Here we go. I don't want to do my camera, so I'm just gonna. It's gonna take a big quarter process. Thanks for watching my video. Let's find some gold.